Hey guys, so here's how you're going to add a contact form on Wix. The first thing that you're going to do is to head over to your Wix editor. And then from here, what we're going to do is to add a contact us page. So we're not simply inserting a contact us from this. We're going to add another page just for the contact us section. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to this page and then hit this pull down bar. And then from here, click on Manage Pages. And then now from here, you can add a new page. Now on the left hand side or the left hand menu, you can click on this contact where you can see your contact page options. So now you may have different templates that you can customize from here. You can choose whatever you want to add. Like you can add this basic form, but if you don't want to use all of these, just click on blank page. So we can start creating a new page. And then here, what we're going to do is going to rename this one into a contact us page right there. And then we're going to drag it over to the bottom. Now, you may choose to add a design section. Now, what you're going to do once you open this add section is you're going to head over to this contact page or contact menu. And then you can see here several options for contact section that you can add. For example, I just want to add something as simple as this one. So what we're going to do is to drag it over. And then as you can see, it has been placed in our website. Now, after that, you may click on section settings and then you may change this section name. And then after that, you may choose to save this one. Now that your site is saved, you just click on done. And once you're satisfied with how your form looks, you don't feel like you want to change anything, you can just hit on publish. But if you still want to edit some of these elements, you can just click on them and then edit the text or whatever that you want to change. And then this form you may also, it actually comes as a group. Now, what you're going to do is to click on this form settings. This Wix forms menu or pop-up square is going to be visible. What you're going to do is to create a submissions table just so that you can collect any type of info from your visitors. This is going to be your submissions menu or table. Now it has been created. Now let's click on Got It and then hit on Settings. From here, you can see this submissions table. Just click on that. Let's hit on View Submissions Table. It will automatically take you to the settings of your website. From the dashboard, you can see this Forms and Submissions selected. It will automatically take you there. And then once this loads, what we're going to see is the submissions that we have received from the visitors. So everyone that filled up or filled out our form will be seen right here. So as you can see, we can see the submission time, the first name, last name, email, and message. You may also have a new view of this one. Like you can enter a new view. You may manage fields, sort, filter. You can access more actions like here, like you can import items and export to CSV. Now, once you're done and you feel satisfied, you can just hit on X, and that is how you add a contact us form in Wix.